Mackenzie never did reply again after she asked if we could change the time. So I don't know if she's coming or not. I'm assuming so.
I give up. It's our last meeting.
So sad. Well, not really. I'll miss you, but that's about it. I won't miss this class at all.
Okay, so are you ready? You want to just get started?
Let's do it.
Okay, so number 2 says, which of the following variables is /r quantitative? I said the first and the last one.
Of course, I said the first and the second one.
Okay.
So the first one's 1 for sure.
Yeah. I didn't think it was the second one because it's brands of cars, so that's categorical. That's what I thought.
Well, I know the telephone's not 1 because it's just a number. You can't quantify it. It's like a description, basically. But I guess I picked the second one because I was thinking the 3 most common, so maybe they tallied up which are the top 3 common.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, kind of.
No.
Let's try and figure this out.
Wait, so can we actually find all the answers to these in our old homeworks? Is that what you're doing? What you're thinking about doing?
No. Why would I think about doing that? I don't know where it would be.
It's like one of the first 3 or 4 lessons, probably.
You think?
Yeah, that was pretty early on.
Okay. I just know the answer because I'm smart.
Okay.
It's only the first one.
Oh, all right. Well, good enough for me. Number 3. I said it's an observational study because the students had no control over the prices of the cereals.
Yes, that is what I said.
Awesome. Number 4, I said the meeting will stay the same.
Will it?
I don't know. I got this question wrong last time, and I can't remember what the real answer is.
The mean will increase.
It will increase.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Number 5, I got 0.15%.
You're joking. Really?
No, that's really what I got. What'd you get?
I got 97.7%.
Oh, good. So it's 2 standard deviations away from 70 minutes, right?
Yes.
So we know that 99.7% of all the data is within 3 deviations or 2? I think it's 2.
Which one?
In general, we know that all the data in a normal distribution is going to be within 99.7 of it's going to be within 3 distributions, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And now 95% of it will be within 2 distributions.
Okay, so we know that some 50 to 70 minutes, all the data is going to be within 50 to 70 minutes. 95% of it's going to be within that, right? That range?
Yes.
So if we're asking how many of the students did less than that, it's going to be half of the leftover 5%, correct?
I have no idea.
I just realized I did it wrong. I'm going to say 2.5%. Because it can't be, it's going to be a small number because it's below 50, and the majority of them are going to be above 50 and below 70. 95% of them are going to be above 50 or below 70. That only leaves 5% of the rest of the scores total. And I think half of them would be under 50 and half of them would be above 70. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I'm going to put 2.5%.
Okay. I'm trusting you.
Great. Number 6, I got 163.8.
Number 6, sorry. 163?
0.8.
Yeah, I got 154.627.
You jerk. So you open up the probability applet, right? To do this problem. And then you do the 35th percentile. So you just put 0.35 into one of the z-scores, right?
And the z-score, I thought you put it in the probability.
Great. Now I'm really confused. Yeah, I think you're right. 0.35 up top. And then you do... Oh, no, I don't know. I think it is below. At least that's how I did it. You put 0.35 in, and then you do everything below that, right? Yeah. You put in the bottom, and you do everything below it, and then you get the area, which I got the area to be 0.6368, and then you have to run the z score problem backwards. So 0.6368 is equal to x minus u over o, right? And so you times by the o, which is, they told us is 10.2, and then you add the mean, which is the normal, the overall mean, which is 150.7. I'm just talking. Tell me what you did.
Okay, so I just plugged it into the top. And then did everything below it, which is 0.385. And then did the math and got 154.
Because I'll check. I looked this one up in the homework, and I thought you had to do the...
Okay, so it's a homework. It's lesson number 5.
Lesson 5? Okay.
Yeah. Because I'm looking at my past one, and I got it wrong. But I had no idea what I was doing. So.
I really hope these are the kind of questions that are actually on the test. Okay. So... Oh, no, you're right.
What'd you put?
I did it the way I said, so you put it up in the top. At least that's how it's...
Wait, did you get it right on the homework?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, you didn't look.
Is it the exact same problem?
Yeah, in lesson 5, number 10.
Lesson 5. It's in week 2. Hold on, wait for it. Just wait for it, Joel.
Okay.
Yes. The last question is from lesson 5 too, and it is 2.5%.
Wait, you got it right? Yeah,
Yeah.
I knew the last one was, but I got that one wrong on the thing.
Well, why didn't you tell me 2.5 is right? You said I'm trusting
I
you.
didn't know if 2.5 was right. Because I put on the homework quiz, I got it wrong, so I didn't know.
Dang it, Joel.
So what did you get for number 10 then on the homework quiz?
Number 10. I got 146.8.
Is that the answer that you got?
No, but that's the right answer.
It is right.
If the numbers match up, 150, 10.2, yeah, 146.8.
How do you get that though?
I don't know. Maybe we should.
We need to figure this out though.
Yeah, we should really figure it out. Let me find my calculator. Ugh. All right. So we know we're looking for 0.35, right? What the heck? So the z-score I'm getting for that is negative 0.385.
I got it. I did it right, sucker.
You suck. Negative 0.385 times 10.2 plus 150.7. 146.8. Got it.
We did it.
Hooray.
Hooray.
Okay. Number 7 I got skewed right.
Yep.
Number 8 I got... I didn't get an answer.
What?
I couldn't. This is one I couldn't figure out how to do.
Okay, so I got 2.236.
Is that right?
You're not trusting me, so I will prove to you.
What lesson would that be from?
I think it's in lesson 6.
6. Were these in order?
Yes.
Do you think she's going to watch this video and be like, you guys cheated the whole way?
But technically, is it cheating?
I don't think so, because if we just looked it up earlier, trying to figure it out, and found the answer.
Because a lot of it is like, oh, I don't 100% remember how to do it, so I need to look up how to do it again.
Right. As long as I know how to do it for the real test, I don't feel bad about it. But
Yeah, so it's in lesson 7.
how is it?
Yeah. But the question is on the final, are our exam questions going to be based on our old homework quizzes?
I don't know.
It's I don't know, trying to figure out what should I study. Yeah, I can study this review, but this review is based on all the homework quizzes. And if they're brand new answers and you have to go about the problem a different way, I'm not going to remember.
Yeah, and the last study guide screwed me over, so...
Yep, me too.
I got 2.236.
Yeah, that's what I got.
And I got it right.
Wait, you put that on number 7 on the homework quiz?
Number 8.
Number 8? Isn't that the probability?
Wait a second. You're confusing me. The quiz we're doing tonight, number 8, is 2.236.
Yes.
Good.
And
but I don't know how to get it. Do you know how to do it?
Yeah, I know how to do it. So you have to use that equation, the x minus u divided by the standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Right. But what is x?
So x is the 800 or 8,550.
So then what's x bar?
What do you mean? You mean u?
Oh! You know what happened? No wonder I was confused. In my homework it says 8,554. 20 tanks of 8,544. And so I was confused because like, how can it be exactly the same as the population mean? Read me number 8 on your homework to me. Just read it to me.
On the review.
On the review.
Okay, so it says tanker trucks are designed to carry huge quantities of gasoline
No, not that part.
from filling stations. A factory that manufactures the tank of trucks claims to manufacture tanks with a capacity of 8,550 gallons of gasoline. The actual capacity of the tanks is normally distributed with mean of 8,544 gallons and the standard deviation of 12 gallons.
Right. Now read me question 8.
Oh, sorry. A simple random sample of n equals 20 tanks will be selected. Find the score corresponding to the sample mean capacity 20 tanks of 8,550.
What? When I copied and pasted, it must have screwed up because mine says 20 tanks of 8,544.
Yeah, definitely not.
And I was like, I don't know what to do if it's exactly the same as the mean because it'll subtract on top and 0 will be in the numerator, and then it's all doomed. So okay, so let me do this real quick then. 8,5
No problem. I messed up on the next one anyways.
minus 8,544 divided by 12 divided by the square root of 20. 2.236. Got it. The next one yes, I did it right. 0.991.
For what?
Number 9 on the review.
N equals 50?
Yeah. 0.991 is the answer.
How do you know that?
Because I got it right on the homework.
Okay.
And I got it right again tonight when I did it. Or this afternoon when I did
So
it.
you did the, okay, so when you did it this afternoon, did you do the 8,540 minus 8,544 divided by the 12 divided by the square root of 50?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. I just want to make sure I have.
And I got the z-score of negative 2.357. And then the probability is 0.991.
Oh, it wants another oh, it does want another probability. Wait, what was the z-score?
Negative 2.357.
Okay, perfect. Okay, number 10. I put probability of a type 1 error.
Yep.
Okay.
Number 11, I put... Wait, what? Oh, I don't know on this one, but I put the second one.
I put the second and the 1, 2, 3, fourth one.
Are you sure about that?
What? I'm tired of you. I will prove it to you. Give me 1 second.
Lesson 8?
No.
No,
I think it's
lesson 9.
9 or 10. Lesson 10. Oh wait, hang on. I told you the wrong numbers. It's 1 and 2 and 3. Right. Okay, so it's lesson 10, number 4.
Oh, crap. Hold on. Lesson 10, number 4. Yeah, I have that one, but I picked. We are 95% confident that the true height of adult females in the United States is somewhere in our confidence interval. And then I put approximately 95% of 95% confidence intervals. And I have it right.
Yeah, B and C.
I thought you said B and D.
I did, but I corrected myself.
Oh, I missed that correction. I was really confused.
Oh, no problem. So yeah,
Okay.
so the second one and the third one.
Got it. 12. I got the last one.
The last one, really.
The fact that the data are normal does not imply the distribution of sample means is normal.
I said yes, the distribution of sample mean is normal because the data is normal. Go to number 13 on lesson 10.
Is it right? I'll just mark it. I believe you.
Well, I marked it wrong on the test, but like it shows the right answer.
Wait, you have the right answers on the homework?
Yours don't show you what the right answer is if you get it wrong.
No.
Really?
I'm looking right at it.
Yeah, mine literally has a green check mark next to the one that's right.
Oh, yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Just kidding. Sorry.
Okay, because I was like, no, I'm not posting this video if it didn't, because if she knows that and she takes it away, not happening.
So, yeah, you're right. I put the wrong one, but the right one's the top one, huh?
Okay.
So, help me understand this then.
Okay, so basically you just trust that the quiz is right. That's all you need.
The research. No, I want to understand the math behind. So the distribution of sample means is normal because the data is normal.
Data.
So if the sample's normal, then the whole thing's gonna be normal. Basically, the bigger one's gonna be normal.
Yeah.
Okay, sure. 13. I got .039.
This one I was not sure on.
I'll check the homework.
I think it's an 11.
We were just in 11 though.
No, we were in 10.
No, we weren't. Oh gosh, we don't want to check my homework on this one. I got C- on it.
I got a B minus. So it wants to know the p-value, right?
Wait, that's what we're looking for?
So number 4 on lesson 11.
Number 4 on lesson on lesson 11. Oop, I'm in the wrong lesson. Oh, I got an A on this one. I got 100% on this one. I'm a champion.
What did you get on number 4?
.02.
On number 4? For the p-value?
Yep, p-value's .02.
I don't know
That's a problem.
how you get that.
I don't either. But that is the right answer. I'm trying to remember what I even did on the homework. I have no idea. Oh,
It's not. Is it a thing that we have to open?
yeah,
It's a file.
yeah.
Okay, we'll go with that. .02 sounds tricky.
You don't want to know how to do it?
Well, don't you just go to because it's a one. Is it a one sample t-test?
That's what I did. I did a T-sample test.
So you just go to t-sample and then you just do it, and then it gives you the p-value.
But I didn't. But it told me .039. That's why I'm confused.
Oh, you did that?
Yeah, I did it, and that's
Oh, that's a problem.
so that's why I'm a little worried. Did you not even try it?
No, I did, but I got .000.
All right, I'm gonna open it up. I don't want to do this, but I'll do it, and we can keep talking about the next problems because I really have to go. So.
Okay, yeah, I really want to know though too,
All right.
but I don't want to open SPSS.
I'll see what I can find out for you. Which file is it? Tell me which file it is.
Wow, good name. The rates return.
Rates return. Okay. As soon as it's slow, but I'll work on it while we continue to work. So 14.
Okay. 14. They said the last one.
Me too. I don't know if that's right, but that's what I got. Actually, I'm pretty sure about that one.
Yeah, I was pretty.
15, I got 0.096.
15. Me too.
Yes! We're champions. 16, so then 16 I got no because the p-value is greater.
Yeah, no, because the p-value is greater. Yes.
Yep.
17, I got yes. Normal. Second one.
No, you didn't. Yeah, I did too.
Yeah?
Yep.
18, I got the third one.
Me too.
What? 19, I got the second one.
Hold on, I'm toggling here. 19, we got, what did we get? Said the which one?
The second one?
And I got the last one.
Okay. Well,
But
go and screw everything.
guessing from the last one, it's probably B, not D. The last one was like this, the 95 of 95 is right.
Let me figure out.
Alright, well you work on that, I'll work on the other.
Lesson sets in since you have to be so difficult and disagreeing.
Rates of return, right? What was that? No.
Sorry. That was really weird. Random.
Oh!
Yeah, it's 95% of all 95% confident intervals actually contain the true.
Okay. Just don't move for just a second. So I'm doing the other one. One sample t-test, is that what we decided?
Yeah.
And I put in a test value of 0.95 last time. I'm just going to put in no test value and see what happens. What are we looking for?
The p-value?
It's supposed to be 0.02.
Yeah.
Okay, that did not work. So let's try something else. Compare means, one sample t-test. It gives us the point. What does it give? It gives us some number to compare it to. I don't remember where it was now. Really. What number was it?
On the homework?
Yeah.
13.
13. So 0.02.
What's the p-value that you got?
I got 0.39 or 0.039.
0.039. My question is because you have to, because you know how if it's like two-tailed or one-tailed, you have to divide it by 2.
Oh.
So if it's two-tailed, then you divide 0.039 by 2.
Well, wait, which is it? Is it
I think it's a two-tailed.
Oh, I know that the p-value they give you in the programs, but is the question asking for
The p-value.
Oh, yeah, it's significantly worse, so you do have to divide in 2.
Yeah, so it'd be 0.0195, and then you round to the third decimal place. which would round that to 0 and that to 2. Does that make sense?
Yeah. So it would be 0.02. That doesn't make sense. So I actually did it right, kind of, almost.
Yeah, kind of.
So just so you know, when you put it in there, let me do this again. When you put it in there, make sure you put in the test value. So the little box will come up and ask you which one you want to put in, and you select the only column, you select the monthly rate of return, but then it also asks if you want a test value at the bottom. Make sure you put in the test value, which is 0.95 on this problem.
Okay, well, you'll get a different answer if you don't.
Right.
That's probably why I got 0.000.
Probably. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So you got 19, right?
Yeah, 19 is 95 of 95.
Of all 95.
Right.
Okay. So 20, I got 50.
Hey, me too. I was really unsure about that, but if you got the same answer.
Yeah. 20, 21, I got no, the last one.
Yep.
22, I got the last one.
Yep.
23, I got 0.103.
I got 0.1. Exactly. I'll look. This would be what lesson? Ish. Alzheimer's. Oh, this is one proportion, right? Towards the end.
I think so.
Lesson 8, week 8 lesson. Wow, that was that long ago? Okay, it's not in that homework. Which is probably why I got it wrong. I'm not even finding it in the homework, Joe.
I'm trying to find it. I think this might have been the one that I couldn't find at all.
Just doesn't exist, maybe. Hey, Mackenzie.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't do my homework, so I'm not here to get the answers, but I'm doing the PowerPoint now.
Yeah.
Hey, did you guys hear me?
Kind of.
Oh, sorry. So I'm not here because I didn't do the homework. I didn't do it before, so I'm not here to get the answers. But so am I doing the what's it called? the PowerPoint now?
Yeah.
Like for the project?
Yeah.
Okay. And that is that due on Saturday?
Not this week. I believe it's due like Thursday next week.
Okay,
I
perfect.
think you have to double check, but I think it's Thursday next week.
Yeah, I know it's not due this week.
Yeah.
I was just making sure that that's what I'm doing. And then Darby's doing whatever's due this week.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I talked to her, and she said she knows, so she should be doing it. So.
Okay. Well, awesome. Yeah. So that.
And then
So
like,
sorry, I was
I'll send you, Mackenzie, like I'll send you my part, and then like my data or whatever, for that. And then
Okay.
if you want to send her your part or whatever.
Yeah, I'll send you all the data if you want.
Okay, yeah. That way I don't have to send mine because you already have it together.
Right. It's just
Okay.
right. So I don't think she'd need our individual results, would you?
Probably not.
Yeah. So you can even try. You might be able to just get into it because it should be graded for you guys. I don't know if it shows up in your graded section or not.
Oh, that's true. It is graded for me. We might be able to access it.
So if you can open it there, then just use that, and if not, shoot me an email and I'll send it over to you.
Okay, perfect. I was just gonna check that with you guys. Yeah. So thank you.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go and do my homework now. So.
Okay.
Okay. See ya.
Bye.
Yeah.
I found it, Joel.
Which one?
The Alzheimer one.
What lesson?
23. Oh, it's lesson 16, question 9, and it is point 1.
Lesson 16, question 9.
Yeah.
Oh, I put .103 on that one and I got it right.
Weird. And I put just .100 and I got it right. So I guess it's around point 1.
Okay.
Good enough for me.
Yep. Okay. So 24, I got .182.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. 25, I said any n will do.
What? Serious?
Serious?
Why can you have any n?
Um,
You know the normal? Probably because you know the distribution of fertility is normal, huh?
what did you say?
I said probably because
Horrible.
the distribution of fertility levels of Cocker Spaniels is normal.
And I would know that.
It's in the question. It says right there.
Oh, does it? Oh,
I'm not just making crap up here. So remind me again why we decided to meet at 8:45.
I have no idea. It's ridiculous. Like, I could have done this so much earlier, and I could be doing something else right now.
You know,
Not that spending time with you sucks, but
I would love to spend time with you, Joel, but not doing this.
yeah, exactly.
I do not remember this question ever even existing. Are we sure it's in the homework?
I've found it before. Hang on.
Did you? Okay. Because when I read that, I was like, what the freak? We never had this question. I must have been way out of it when I did that homework.
You just don't remember.
Yeah, apparently.
Oh gosh. Okay, so lesson 17, number 7.
Number 7. All right, so I'm guessing, so it's because the distribution's normal, then
Then it's like
doesn't matter what our sample is. It's so weird. Okay. 26, I got the last one.
Yep.
27, I got B.
The second one.
Yep, U of D is equal to 0, or not equal to 0.
Yeah, UD is not equal to 0. Yep. So, what'd you give it that one?
The second one?
The second one? I got the first one.
I knew it was one of the two, but I have no idea which one it is, so I don't think it's in the homework.
It's in, okay, so this is the funny thing. Have you taken the new lesson 23?
No, I haven't done the homework for that yet.
So I'm almost positive it's in that homework quiz.
Oh, probably. But since neither one of us has done it,
Yeah.
that's awkward.
Okay, let's try and figure this out reasonably.
Well, it all comes down to, I know that the residual is the one of them minus the other one, and in the homework, I don't know how to describe this. I sat on this problem for so long, I finally just picked one.
Hmm.
Let's see if I can find it.
Okay, in the following group diagram, follow the experiments. For the exercise group, they use linear regression with percent compliance with exercise program as an explanatory variable and the pound loss 3 months as the response variable.
The residual is defined as the difference between the observed value of y and the value that would have been predicted by the regression line. So it's what actually happened minus what we predicted to happen. But I don't...
So what actually happened minus what predicted.
Right. So my reasoning was it's positive, which means it was what actually happened was higher than...
Yeah,
he lost 5 extra pounds than what he thought. So if you do, so it would be in the positive, which is why I said
I agree with you.
the second one. But
I'm with you on that one. That makes sense.
if not, then it's the other one.
Yep.
29, I got C.
Yes, that's what I got.
30, I got B, D, and E.
B, B, C, D, and E. So the second one, the fourth one, and the fifth one.
Right.
Yes.
31, I got something cool. 0.78. 0.
Really?
Yeah. All right. We're not as retarded as I thought we were.
Nope. And then I said linear with a fairly strong positive association.
Yep.
Sweetness.
33, I got B0 is 115.64.
Yep.
I got B1 is 0.627.
Yep.
Oh, that's
4, I got 240.99.
I got some crazy decimal, but I ended up rounding to 241 even.
Yeah. Should be 241. Okay. 35.
I'm sorry, B of O on the last question was 115.64, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
And then B1 is 0.627.
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
No, you're fine. And then, so 35, the lower bound, I got 0.518.
Yep.
And then the upper bound, I got 0.735.
Yep.
So I did not know 36. So hopefully you did.
36. I got the last one, and I'm very sure about that one. So
Okay.
I found it in the lesson.
Sounds good.
37. I got 11.509 for the t value,
Uh-huh.
and then I got 0 for the p value.
And then 38, I said
Oh, was that right? You got those both?
yes.
So did you put .000 or did you just put 0 in? I don't know what to put.
I put 0.000.
0.00. Okay.
And then you got 11.509, right?
You're right. Yeah.
Then 38, I said reject the null. There's sufficient evidence. The third one.
Yeah.
Now to the crappy ones.
We're screwed.
Okay, a couple of these I know for sure.
Oh, good.
The first one, I got one sample t-test.
Yeah. Me too.
The second one, I got one sample z-test.
That's what I got.
The third one, I have no idea.
Okay, so 39's B, 40 is A.
Yeah.
41, I had no idea, but I guessed.
I think it's a 1 proportion.
That's what I guessed is tested 1 proportion, yeah.
And then 42, I got tested 2 proportion, which is G.
42. I didn't answer 42, so sure.
That's cool.
Tested 2 proportion. That was what I was going for, but I couldn't make a decision. I was freaking out. Oh, but I was afraid because I was thinking it might be a chi-squared because you could make columns out of communicative and non-communicative.
I know for a fact that one is in a homework. So,
Oh, good. I trust you. So that's G. And then the last one I got linear regression, obviously.
yeah.
Okay, so which is I.
Yeah.
So let's go through these and make sure we're on the same page. 39's B, 40's A,
Yeah.
41's F,
Yeah.
42's G, and 43's I.
Yeah.
All right,
I'm just not sure on 41.
41.
But I feel
I'm just, yeah. That's what I'm going with.
we answered all of them, right?
Oh, did we?
We didn't skip over any, I don't think, did we?
Oh, I thought you said we answered them all right as if you submitted it, so I submitted it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I submitted mine.
We only
Okay.
missed one.
So we missed one.
Number
No
4.
way.
Looks like. I told you the median will stay the same.
Okay, hold up. I'm going to prove this wrong because I looked at the quiz. Let me find it again. Okay, so go to lesson 3,
Lesson 3.
number 8.
Lesson 3, lesson 3. Holy cow, this is like back in the day. No wonder I couldn't find it. I looked for this forever and I gave up. Lesson 3, hold on. My computer's not as cool as yours. 8?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Mean will increase.
Oh, no, no, no. That one's the mean. Look at number 9. Apparently it's not possible to determine without the
There's an
fold.
option to retake it.
Are you serious?
If you really want 100% retake it.
I do, but crap. I don't want to put all that crap in there again.
I know. Let's see. Hang on. I want to look at my grade first.
Honestly, I don't think it's going to make that big of a difference.
I don't think so either. It's one question.
I really need to go anyway, so
Okay, no problem.
why don't I retake it? It's all yours. All right.